Hello Coinlover, you are watching CoinMantra and this video is part of our CWEE series and here I am going to talk about another tool that will help you to earn some free Bitcoin. Yes, I am talking about Bitcoin. So without any delay, let's start this video with this cool intro.
We, CoinMantra.co team, are not a financial advisor or expert. All information in this video is only for educational and entertainment purpose. Maybe there are some sponsored content in this video. After watching this video, we have no responsibility for any profit or loss of any investment made by you and also not responsible for legal injuries. Do your own research. Do not trade with the money that you can't afford to lose.
And today's tool's name is GoSats. Okay, so what is GoSats? Basically, GoSets is an application that gives you free Bitcoin whenever you use GoSets to shop on uh, e-com sites like Flipkart or Adidas and many more. At the time of making this video, GoSets support more than 100 plus shopping sites like Flipkart, Adidas, as well as food chains like Domino's, Pizza Hut, and more. So, how does GoSets work? Basically, whenever you shop on any e-com site using GoSets app, then the e-com site will share a small amount of money with GoSets, and GoSets will share uh, the amount with you in form of Bitcoin. Okay. Uh, because GoSets help them to get a sale, so they share this money with GoSets. Okay, that's clear. So you will receive free Bitcoin on every shopping using GoSets app. But remember, you will receive Bitcoin after the end of return period of the product that you bought from store. So how to earn Bitcoin with GoSets application? It is very simple. You need to download GoSets application in your smartphone. You can download a GoSets application using our referral link, which you can find in the description of this video. And don't forget to use our referral code so that we both will receive 10,000 sats and start shopping on your favorite sites listed on GoSets and receive Bitcoin in your GoSets application. It's very simple. I hope you don't confused with the word sets. If you confused, then let me clear it. If you know what is Bitcoin, then you know the smallest unit of Bitcoin is Satoshi, and here Satoshi sets refer Satoshi. Okay, they are planning to add more feature in this app, like Bitcoin wheel, like this wheel, and every day you will spin this wheel and receive some amount of Bitcoin in your GoSets application. Recycler. Coin Recycler is a feature where you can convert your Bitcoin into altcoin. Yes, Bitcoin into altcoin. Another feature, gift sets, where you can gift sets to your friend, and they are also planning to add learn and earn feature where you can earn Bitcoin by watching crypto webinars and videos, and they are also planning to add an option to buy Bitcoin using the simplest payment method, UPI. Since you will receive your Bitcoin in your GoSets application after the end of returning period of the product. And this takes some time. And to remove this waiting time, GoSets team is planning to add shopping voucher, which will give you instant Bitcoin cashback. Okay, and when shopping voucher will available in GoSets app, then you don't need to wait for a long time to receive your Bitcoin cashback. And now let's review the GoSets application. So I'm going to open GoSets application in my smartphone. Let's explore GoSets features.
So this is the application CoSets that I installed in my mobile. In this application, you can see here I have 20,000 sets, and this spin feature is coming soon that I talked in this video. And you can see here a lot of shopping sites like Flipkart, Mamaearth, Fossil, Adidas, and more. So, and here is fourth option. Let's this is we are on our home section, and now we are switched to category section. This is category section, and in category section they have divided shopping site on the basis of categories like electronics, fashion, health and beauty, travel, food. Yeah, I think now you are going to earn Bitcoin by ordering pizza from Domino's or Pizza Hut. And there is also a section for babies and kids. Okay, and the third option is wallet, and here you can see I have 20,000 sats, which is equal to 554 rupees. Okay, and when I complete this progress part to 50,000 sats, then I can easily withdraw my sats in my hardware wallet or any exchange to trade. And here is withdrawal terms and condition. I need to complete 50,000 sats, so basically I need 30,000 sats to withdraw, and I can withdraw on any Bitcoin, valid Bitcoin address for withdrawal, and there is no withdrawal fees. Okay, that I discussed in the video. And withdrawal are processed every Wednesday at 6 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time, which is good. And did I forget to say something, that GoSats is an application made in India, and so currently GoSats is available for only India. Okay, and here is fourth and last option is history, and here I can check my earning history. Let's you can see my pending history is 417 sats is pending. Here you can check your earning from where you earn. Okay, uh, which is pending, and yeah, for this reward section. So now click on this logo, which is my profile logo. So here you can see your email address, and GoSats have a referral program where you will earn 10,000 sats when your friend make purchase. Not only you, your friend will also get 10,000 sats. Okay, um, this is my referral code. If you love this video, then I think you can use this referral code. So we both will get 10,000 sats. Okay. So I hope you understand what is GoSats application and how it works. So if you like this video, then don't forget to share with your friends and drop a like, which will motivate me to create more such contents for you guys. Yes, for you coin lovers. Thanks for watching this video. Love you all. Bye bye.